Well, in India, the impact of the financial crisis has now moved beyond Dalal Street. Another sector to be hit by the slowdown is the exports industry, a sector which has been surging, in fact, for the last 5 years.
Manu Sharma has this report on how thousands of workers in the export sector have been laid off in the last few months. Workers who often do not have the voice to speak up or let others know just how they've been treated.
Vocal protests by jet employees sacked last month. Voices that found instant political support. A day later, all 1,100 people got back their jobs. Now here's the contrast. Mukesh Tiwari and his friends were laid off by export houses they worked for 3 months ago. According to rough estimates, over 50,000 export workers have been sacked in the last few months without a buzz. Every day when Mukesh returns home, still jobless, he knows just how bad the financial crisis is. He had come from Bihar, slowly working his way up in an industry that was then booming.
उस टाइम का समय में काफी खुश थे। हफ्ते में जरूर एक बार तो फिल्म देख लिया करते थे हम लोग और बड़े सुखी शांति से थे, जबकि 350 की तनख्वाह थी। आया 12,000 से लेकर 15,000, 16,000 मिलता रहा, फिर भी परेशान। अब तो नौकरी गई क्योंकि अमेरिका में मंदी आ गई।
Sources in the Labour Ministry agree retrenchment has been reported, especially of contract and casual labour. But ask them if anything is being done and they say officials are keeping a close watch. As orders dry up, the industry, however, has some advice.
The industry must do its homework and find new markets, new products.
This entire street has export houses, both big and small, some of whom, like this one, which have already shut down, and many others noticing a big slump in the orders. But till the economy turns around, those being laid off from here hope that their voices too will be heard above all the different noises that are just talking about recession and not really doing very much to change things around. In Noida with Arvind Uttam, Manu Sharma for NDTV.